Hi everyone, my name is Andres Felipe Lopez Beltran and today we're talking about my experience in virtual tools and the future of virtual education. So my experience in virtual education has been very varied because it was the first time that I used tools such as Microsoft Teams or Zoom. These tools are very useful, but due to their novelty, they are still not completely complete. In my case, being a civil engineering student, this adaptation has me cost me much more since for 2 years I got used to the teaching method where there was a direct interaction with the teacher. So these changes have not done me very good either, since the teachers have not finished getting used to these changes and even more that the topics that are taught to me that are not easy to assimilate taught these virtual tools. Other topic that I want to talk is the exams because in the past, when I'm making an exam, was very more easier to make a question to the teacher because the teacher can guide me how to solve it, but now it's very different because the teacher only send me a document when I need to solve this problem, and I can make a question or problem with this enunciate that I don't understand. So I think that my performance academy was very down for this virtual education. So I think that the virtual education need to evolutionate to these forms of evaluate the performance academic of the students. Finally, I think that the education has made great strides towards our virtual teaching methods thanks to the pandemic, but most students don't end up to being satisfied with this by including me. So, does high quality education to be virtual, many years will be have to pass, so that both students and teachers feel motivated to take these types of classes with the inclusion of new technologies. In short, education has a very open world where we can obtain knowledge in different and interactive ways. So, other thing that I think about the future of virtual education is the method of the education, because now the virtual education has the same method that the presential education. So I think that the new technology that I mentioned to be used to this new method of the virtual education have been used because how I explained it in all video, the virtual education for me was very difficult because the methods was very bored and very hard to understand. So I think that the education had been evolutionated to be virtual and more easier for the students to be motivated and want to learn more. Thanks for watching this video.